Welcome to my database web technology experiment number 5. Here in the JavaScript module, we'll see that this is the home page, and here we have various things as to find the longest string, BMI calculator, flower garden, the weight inator, coin flip, and pizza order form. In the find the longest string, we ask you basically to enter any digit, and in that it will show that which the longest string is. And in BMI calculator, we'll ask you weight in kilograms. Let's say that the weight is 88 and the height is 164 centimeter. It displays your BMI and shows your body type as underweight. And in flower garden, we'll ask you the number of rows, let's say 5, and the number of columns as 4. We plant the garden, and you can see that 5 rows and 4 columns of flower has been displayed. And in the weight inator, what we do is we convert the it's a basic converter. We'll ask you to convert 25 to LB, then you'll see that it's 55. And in the next version, that is the coin flip, it's basically a random generator where we flip, and it either displays a head or a tail. In the pizza order form, we will see the number of pizza as 1, and the number of medium pizzas is 2, number of large pizzas is 3, and the discount 15 will display the cost as 213. That's basically what the script is. Now moving on to the script part, what we see is the doc type head, the lab experiment 1. This is the metadata, div head, and then the user ID, then height and width we are defining it, and the margin as 10, margin bottom 0, margin top 0, and ground blue, text align center. In this, what we do is the background color, we are defining everything here. We can see it in the total web page. And in the index, we have defined all the basic functions, and the input find the longest string, the background color, and for the BMI calculator, for the flower garden, for the weightinator, the pizza order form, moving on to this, in the longest string one, we have this is the basic code that I've used to, and this explains how I use the program to select which the longest code is. And this is for the conversion rate for the biomass index. And here we have asked for the conversion, the biomass index. We'll be asking for the data, for the data that is the height and the weight, where we define what kind of body mass is. Here's the rules which I have used as well, like which defines an underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. As you can see, any BMI greater than 30 is obese, greater than 25 and lesser than 30 is overweight. And moving on, and in the flower garden, I've defined the various rules. That is, we've asked for basic input of the rows and columns. Then when we click on the button grow, it uses the defined images, that is 1.jpg, 2.jpg, 3.jpg, and 4.jpg to plant that is to display the columns. And now moving to the weightinator. what you see is we basically ask people to enter any weight that is in kg and convert it into lb, one of the options being, and we've given the standard conversion rates and the values in the program itself. So whenever a user enters a value, you can see that it's directly transferred. And in the next one, what we see is this is the coin flip one. In the coin flip one, what we do is we basically it's a random generator where we have coins flip and either head or tail turn up, and we keep a count of which happens when. And the next one being the pizza order form. It's a basic form where we ask for various options, whether it's a small, large, or a medium pizza. You can see we have in the background color the text align to center, and we are asking for a function calculator. We are asking for large, small, and we're given each a value, and set the amount is and given an amount to it. Small star 100 plus medium star into 200 plus large into 200. So that's basically in the whole thing. Thank you.